Hey guys, welcome back to your channel. So today's video I will be showing you what I bought from Fashion Nova for the first time. So I'll be showing you the prices, what I got, and then also I will be showing you my first box from Boxy Charm, which will be for the month of February, and also just like little extra stuff I got here at a local store, cheaper clothes, and I will be showing you that as well. So stay tuned. So first things first, guys, it's Boxy Charm box. So this month is February, the month of February. I know I'm a little late, but it's better late than never. So let's get to it. Let's open this box. How do you close this? Okay, so we open it and we get their little card that they always send with information on the back. Okay, so we got the Tarte palette. Get that. We got a Skin Glow, I guess, highlighters. Oh, and it's two colors. Got that. We got a liquid lipstick. I'm excited for this one. We got some mask. I think they said two. Yeah, 2 sheets. Okay. And then we have the Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. Okay. Alrighty, so let's open this palette up. This is cute. Okay guys, so this is the Tarte limited edition Rainforest of the Sea eyeshadow palette. Normally this retails for $36. Let's open it up. It's all neutrals, just shimmers. Okay. Next is the, I can't even pronounce this, but it's a, let me see, a Skin Glow Duo. And this retails for $26. Then we got this lipstick. To be honest, I have never heard of these brands. Alright, let me open this. So I've never heard of this brand before, so I'm not even gonna try to pronounce it. So we got, this is the shade, it's a neutral shade. So this is a high definition liquid lipstick. This retails for $24. Let me swatch it for you real quick. So this is the color. It feels really thick. It looks moisturizing, but it feels thick. So that's that. And obviously, y'all know the Better Than Sex mascara. We're all familiar with that. And if you don't know, this retails for $24. And then these are the masks. Let's see. These masks retail for $24. So you get 2 of them. And there's 1 mask in each package, so you get 2 masks for $24, worth $24. Okay, so guys, this box you can either do monthly, month to month, and you would have to pay $21, or you can do it for 3 months and you pay $19.66 a month every month, or you can do a whole prepaid for $59 for the 3 months. That's where I had a hard time understanding what the heck that meant. That means that you just pay $59 up front for the next 3 months. So you don't have to worry about submitting a payment every month. So that's what that is. And then you can do 6 months and it's $19.33, or you can do the prepaid for $116 for the 6 months. Or you can do a whole year, 12 months for $231 for the whole year, and that's 12 boxes for the price of 11, or you can just do it monthly for $19.25. Okay guys, so that's the review for the BoxyCharm, or the reveal of the products for the month of February. So just let me know if you want me to do a review, a makeup tutorial with these products in a separate video. Comment down below, let me know what you want. Make sure to like and subscribe. Well, now I'm not telling you what to do, but if I were you, I would suggest to subscribe to our channel, give us a like, go to our social media and follow us there. The link will be down below for our Instagram, Facebook. Just show us some love. In whichever form you want to show love, just show us some love and support. Thank you.